Hello everyone, God bless you. I'm Carlos, and today I want to explain the consonant sound. In fact, three consonant sounds. And so let's get started. And the first consonant sound is sh, sh, right. The place and manner of articulation it is produced by practically blocking the air for moving through the mouth, and which create an audible friction. So the consonant sound is articulated like this. For example, on your open your mouth slightly, and round your lips by pushing them out. Um, for example, so the arch your tongue. Uh, mm, uh, yes. So the roof of your mouth and the tongue, but don't let it touch the roof and of your mouth, right? Uh, so reels the hair between the tongue and the roof of your mouth by blocking the hair following the hair following between the base of your tongue here and the roof of your mouth, right? So here, right, and the consonant sound is voiceless, so there is no need to add our voice. Okay, let's compare this word about this consonant sound. For example, dit, and dish, chop and shop. Okay, seal, see and she. The net is seal and shield. Okay, the consonant sound is not always represented by the same words. For example, the word option, option, option. Other word is shop and mission. It's very different. The writing and the pronunciation, it's different, right? The exercise for this activity is okay. For example, Mario bought a car with cash. Right. The main word in this sentence is cash. Right. Other is the chef prepared delicious dishes. Okay. The main words in this sentence is chef and dishes. Okay. Other. Okay. The second consonant sound is z, right? And the place and form of articulation about this consonant sound z is produced by blocking the airflow between the tip, the tongue, and the alveolar right, and the z tone is existing in many language. So we open the mouth, sigly, uh, uh, okay. The next and focus on the position of the tongue. It's lift the tongue up. Right, the tongue up, the alveolar right. Now, realize some air on the tongue, and this brought this sound like zzz, 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 right? This consonant sound, and so we have to add our voice, right? For example, let's compare this word. For example, lose and lose. Other is price and prize. Yes, the sound of the consonant z is not always represented by the letter. For example, the word observed, and other is rise. This word is written with S and no Z. Other example is cheese and as, right? Some exercise about the Z consonant sound is the zebra is black and white. Right? Although the main word in this sentence is zebra. Other sentence is these roses are beautiful. The main word in this sentence is roses. These roses are beautiful. Okay, the third consonant sound is b. Right. The b consonant sound, it's done. It is done by stopping the hair with the lips. For example, right. And then sigly puff is made at beginning of the words, right? The sound articulate like some press of your lips. Okay, press your lip together to stop the air in your mouth, right? Then separate your lips and release the air with a puff, right? For example, b, right? So the sound is this consonant sound. So we have to add our voice. It sound this consonant. Okay, let's compare this word. Let's compare. For example, bake, and absorb, absorb. This letter, the B, is not pronounced, right? Bike and absorb, absorb, right? Other example is bagel and babe, 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 right? Other is bacon and bathtub, bathtub. Okay. And the consonant sound B is not always represented by the same word. For example, big, job, black, pub, and bird. Okay, some exercise for this consonant sound are: the bat is black. The bat is black. The main word in this sentence is bat and black. Bat and black, black. Right. Other exercise is Maria likes to eat banana. Maria likes to eat banana. The main word in this sentence is banana. Banana. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and have a good day, excellent day, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.